Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back at the barn. I'm here with my buddy Garrett. He's over here ripping some metal off right now. He's taking all the metal off this barn, and I'm gonna get as much of the wood as I possibly can. I've really been wanting to get some barn wood for doing stuff around the Sweet 16. I want to put some in the tiny house and just have some for future projects and stuff like that. So this barn behind me's got a lot of barn wood in it. And we took a whole bunch off the other day whenever we were out here. I did shoot some video. You probably already saw some of that. We got this wall right here behind me. Look at all that beautiful barn wood, man. Still got to take all this off. We got about half of it off the other day. So right here, we got all that off. And then back around this other side, there's another wall we got off. Let me show that to you. We took all of this off all the way down. Got a big, huge stack right here. And then Garrett's on the other side of this wall right now. And we're gonna take all this off, or try to get it off today. We can't work on it too long today, but we do have a few hours to work on it. So Garrett's gonna try to get that metal off. I'm about to get my tools out and jump in there and help him. And then we're gonna start yanking this barn wood off. And then the next time we come out here, I'm gonna bring the trailer and we're gonna start getting all this stuff loaded up, and I can get it hauled out to the Sweet 16. So glad you guys are here. I'm gonna get some tools out and get busy. Don't go anywhere, because we're about to tear down a barn. All right, guys, pretty much got all the metal off of this side right here. There's like one piece left down there, but it's got some big, huge lag bolts in this piece of wood, and we can't get that off because we don't have any sockets with us right now. And Garrett's jumping on the inside. He's gonna start banging these boards off, and I'm gonna grab them and start stacking them. You see these boards on the outside, they got the old red from the barn being painted red way back in the day. And I think I'm gonna try to leave some of that on there once I get these boards cleaned up and everything, and put them up in the tiny house somewhere. I don't know, maybe I'll put them up in the loft or put them on the ceiling, or we can do like a wainscot around the perimeter of the tiny house. Any of that would look really good. So I'm super excited. I was glad to see a little bit of red on there. I think that's pretty cool.
Fun fact, it was built in the 40s.
It was built in the 40s? So it's like 80 years old?
Yeah.
Go for it, dude. there. Won't do that next time. Got it? Okay. Yeah. You think you'll want to do the same thing over here too? Where do you want to put these metals?
I'm talking to it right now. I'll put forks on here a little bit.
Let me get this before it gets buried. Yes, sir. Got him. Yeah, barely. Couple inches. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a good one. Stack it in here. I'll get my stuff and help you pull nails on that other wall. Set this up. That's awesome. Guys, look at this beautiful barn wood behind me. All red and looking like a barn. Look at the saw marks in those boards. Beautiful, man. That stuff, we get that stuff cleaned up, put it up in the tiny house, it's gonna look freaking awesome. You know what I'm saying? Garrett's over here on the tractor getting the forks hooked up. He's coming around. I don't know where he is. Where is he? Boom, there he is. I think he's gonna fork this metal. Yeah, I was thinking if I was up there and I could grab a hold of it, I could just go like that and it just come right down. Just we can't grab it with that. Now just put the pallet on. Yeah, maybe I'll grab a hammer and a pry bar.
I've got more height if you need it.
Huh?
I can go up higher. I think. You want to?
Take me up higher. Whoa!
Alright, that's max.
Okay, drive forward. A little bit.
There.
Good.
I think we leave it alone right there. I think we're playing with fire.
Guys, that's pretty sketch, man. I got some of that metal down, but that gable wall right there, whenever I'd be prying, that whole wall was like trying to come out. You know what I'm saying? So it's just about ready to fall down. There's a beam cutting across right there that's just absolutely split right in half. So I think we're done with the high up stuff for now, and we're going to try to yank these red boards off and get them stacked up, and we'll see what we do after that. We might be done after that. I don't know. Guys, I keep telling Garrett that he needs his own dadgum YouTube. You know what I'm saying? This guy does a little bit of everything, man. We've had an awesome time getting this barn torn down, man. I can't wait to see it all come crashing down to the ground, because we're eventually just going to pull it down and we're going to video the whole thing. So, Garrett, thanks, brother. Thanks for helping me get the wood and everything.
Thank you.
But we'll be back. And if you think Garrett and his family needs a YouTube channel, drop a comment down below and let him know. Don't worry, Garrett. I'm not gonna put you on the spot like that, man. I won't even put this part in. Okay, I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna delete this part. I'm not gonna put you on the spot like that. I promise. Garrett, thanks, brother. We'll catch you later, man. See you, Bubba. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. This wall right here is all cracked and it's about to fall down. The rest of the boards, we got big piles of wood in the way. So the next step is going to be bring the 16-footer and start getting a bunch of these boards on the 16-footer, getting them ready to haul out to the Sweet 16. Garrett, thank you, brother. Garrett's just here helping me get this wood, man. I really do appreciate it. He's getting the metal, I'm getting the wood. Garrett, thanks, brother. We're probably not going to be back out for a couple weeks. And when we do, we'll film it and show you guys what we're doing. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Really do appreciate y'all watching while we're taking this barn down. I can't wait to show you what we do with this barn wood at the tiny house. I'm so excited about it. But thanks a lot for watching. That's going to do it. Do me a great, big, huge favor. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on, man? Go hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell. Give us a great, big, huge thumbs up like if you like any part of this barn tearing down video. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.